Now, one of the common mistakes that beginners do, and I did this mistake as well, is to not yet build your store, but to actually... Hey there everyone, I'm Teacher Marie. Welcome back here on my channel where you can learn some skills and earn money online. If you want to start your online store in 2026, here's the 4 things that you should do. When it comes to building your Shopify store and starting a dropshipping business with it, you have to pick the right product based on data. So you need to know what you're going to sell and whether it stands a chance in the real world. Are people actually buying the product? Is it already too saturated to sell this product, or is it still rising? You're going to look at pricing and margins. Is there a room for profit if you're going to sell this product? How much profit are you going to be earning if you're going to take product from this supplier? Product seasonality. Is it evergreen? Is it viral? Is it seasonal? And validate your supplier options. Can you source the product reliably? Which platform would you go for your suppliers? So all of these questions would hopefully find you your winning product. Now, this would actually take a lot of time if you do these things manually. So personally, I have used this platform called Zik Analytics, where you can see trending products and trending stores, and you can spy on these stores that are selling these products as well. Now, the second one, guys, is to actually study the stores that have already been doing well. So once you've already found your winning product, you already know what you're going to sell, then the next thing to do is to not yet build your store, but to actually study the successful stores selling the similar niche of your product. So you can look at the stores that are already performing. How do they design their homepage? How do they position their product on their social media pages? And how do their branding looks like? The color palette, the layout, what are the apps or features that they have on their website. Now, don't feel guilty about doing this, guys, because yes, you may be spying these stores, but you're not copying them. You're not copying how their store looks like. You're not copying the texts or the layout on their stores. You're just looking into what's already working with these stores in your same niche, which gives you a blueprint, allowing you to start on the right foot. So for this step, guys, I like to use Zik Analytics Store Finder feature, which helps me look up some stores in the same niche as mine and spy on their website and also data. Now, let me just put it out there, guys, that this is a very easy tool to use. It's super beginner friendly. So let me just show you how I use it. So to start using this tool, guys, you can simply key in here or type in here the keywords that you're searching for example, the product that you're selling. And right here, you will see 2 types of filters. So the first one here lets you filter by country, language, currency, sales data, range, and so on. And then over here, guys, you can see another set of filters. So this one lets you narrow your search even more based on store type, social channels, and ads channels. So once you have keyed in everything, just click here, search. And Zik Analytics here will show you all the stores that contain the keyword that you're looking for. So all you have to do next is to choose which store you want to spy on. So for me, normally I would go check on the stores at the highest rank of the search result. So let's just click on the store, and here we are already inside. So this is what you're going to see. You can see here 2 kinds of data. So the first one, we have what we call as store performance data. So first you have the numbers, their products, the revenue, total sales, store apps, and more. So this data, guys, this would help you understand whether the store is performing well and if they're worth studying or worth spying on. Now, in this stage, guys, you have already found a product that you want to sell, right? However, sometimes, guys, when we're spying on these successful stores, we find some new products that they're selling. So basically, you can just click the supplier button, and here you can see if you can source the product from Alibaba or AliExpress. And so we get to also spy on whether we can source these products via dropshipping. So the second data that you will see here, guys, is what we call as the store insights and creative data. So in this section, guys, you can check the store's social channels and ads channels. So you can literally spy on what type of posts and videos they're publishing on their social media, which content gets the highest engagement. So when you're building your own social media strategy, you don't have to guess anymore because you already know what's performing well in your niche, what formats go viral, and which product posts actually convert. Now, with the ads channels, this alone can save you so much money because you can save exact ads that successful stores are currently running, model the ads that are already effective, proven, and already tested by the stores you're spying on. And aside from that, guys, you can also spy on the actual website of these stores. So here you can find the website URL of this store, and here you can see the website layout, the type of images that they use, their pricing strategy, their guarantees, and even how they position their offers. So this is such a huge advantage, especially if you're a beginner, because you can get a clear picture of what a high converting store actually looks like in your niche. So if you want to stop guessing and finally use the same data that successful stores use, check the affiliate link in the description box below. That link gives you access to discounts and lets you explore everything Zik Analytics has to offer. Now, number 3, guys, is to build a store that actually converts. So if you've already found your winning products, you've already studied successful stores, now the next step is to build a store that actually converts traffic into customers. Now, one of the common mistakes that beginners do, and that actually included me. But before we get into it, guys, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed here on this channel. Also click the bell button next to it. That will notify you whenever I upload a new video, so you would not miss any new upload. We are just too focused on making the store pretty. Your store has to have a structure. Once the person opens your website, they must know already what this store is for, what is he or she selling. Next, your product page must have strong visuals. So when we say strong visuals, these must be relevant visuals as well. So for example, the pet store, then page visuals should include photos of pets, dogs, cats, and then add trust elements. Now, I don't know about you, but personally, I don't buy a product if there's no reviews on it. So it is important that you add these trust elements. We have reviews, warranties, and then you also should include your shipping policies. Next thing is, and I did this mistake as well, we missed the part that most of our buyers are actually browsing using their mobile screens. So for that, make sure that your website is running fast and also optimized for mobile viewing. Lastly, guys, limit distractions on your website. As much as possible, make it fast for your customer to click that buy button. So the fewer clicks as possible to checking out this item. Lastly, we have number 4, launch smart and test fast. Okay, so this is actually where most beginners get stuck. And number 1 is that they wait for too long to launch the item. They're waiting for the perfect moment. They're waiting for the perfect time. Or maybe they're waiting till the website looks perfect. Now, the thing here is you're never gonna get it right or perfect the first time around. You're going to learn as you go through. So don't be afraid to test 2 to 3 products in your store. Start with the little that you have, with the small budget that you have. You can test multiple creatives, be fast to scale what works, and cut out the one that doesn't work. So fortunately, you're not gonna be one of those who are gonna be waiting for too long, because you are already watching this video, which means that you are ready to start your dropshipping business or build your Shopify store for 2026. So I wish you all the best with your dropshipping business, and if you want to also use the tools that I have shared, that I have personally used, you can find all the links in the description box of this video or in the link tree down below. So that is it for now, and if you like this video and it's been helpful to you, make sure to click the like button and do not forget to mention it or share it to your family or friends who are thinking of starting their online store or dropshipping business in 2026. That is it for now, and I'm going to see you around on the next one. Bye!